Good morning, Christen.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep last night?
I had a terrible dream.
What?
So I wake up and I go to church and I find out the pastor's sermon was already done because I forgot to set my clock ahead of time because it's daylight savings time.
What?
And I missed the awesome sermon.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. Well, you must have an interesting pastor if that upset you that much. Because you
Yeah.
forgot to set your clock forward 1 hour for daylight savings time.
What?
How you doing, Samuel? You look like you're tired this morning. What happened?
I heard you were talking about dreams.
Yeah.
Not another one too.
What happened in your dream? Hope it wasn't the nightmare that Christen had
No.
where she missed an awesome sermon at church
No.
because she forgot to set her clock forward 1 hour for daylight savings time.
Wow. No. Well, we went to bed last night, and I had a dream that we had forgotten to shut our oven off. So because we didn't replace the batteries in our smoke detector, they never went off, and so it started a fire, and we were.
That's tragic. So we should change the batteries in our smoke detectors while we put our clocks forward 1 hour for daylight savings time. Wow, that's amazing. So we'll try to remember to do that. We will remember to do that today. So we'll be to church on time and have smoke detectors working in our home.